What's up, guys? I am back with another box break. I'm going to be opening up 2015 Prizm draft picks. Just got this in today. It's pretty cheap. I believe it was like, I think 30 bucks on eBay for two autos. I was looking for a Winston or a Mariota, but I'm not going to get my hopes up. The Starburst, I haven't used this. I did not use this when I pulled that Carson Wentz. By the way, I did sell the Wentz. I brought it to the post office today, and it's on its way to its new owner. So, yeah. Thanks everyone who's been making videos for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you do make a video, just comment below in this video if you're watching or in the other video, so make sure I go watch it. I'm writing down everybody. So far I've watched 4 videos. 5 cards per pack. I forgot exactly how many packs there is. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay, 12 packs. Let's see how long my cell phone will record for. Okay, we got Dwight Freeney, Syracuse. Ben Roethlisberger, Miami. University of Ohio, not Hurricane. Mike Davis, rookie, Prizm. You got Vic Beasley and Taylor Heineke. I don't know if that's exactly how you say it. Somebody tell me, did Vic Beasley really lead the league in sacks? That's what I heard. I'm not sure. I don't remember if there were any Buckeye rookies in 2015, like big ones. Got DeMarco Murray, Alshon Jeffrey. Got Buck Allen team trademarks. I guess Prizm. Bo Wallace, rookie. Kevin Parks. No idea where any of them went. I've heard of Bo Wallace, but watching Path to the Draft, supposedly Lynch might go to the Patriots. I hope not. Still got to go through Seattle to because they still own the rights to him. You got Alex Smith, Matthew Stafford, got an All-American Gerard Holliman. I really like this dude coming out of college. He's an interception machine. I think he got double-digit interceptions one year. Yeah, 2014 tallied more than 14 interceptions. 14. Ridiculous. I believe he plays for the Steelers now. Free safety. Dante Fowler, rookie, and Amagbi Adigazua. Pretty sure. I think that's how it's said. You got no hits yet. Nothing numbered. Teddy Bridgewater. Liked him coming out of college. Le'Veon Bell. Richard Sherman, Prizm. See where he ends up going. Amir Abdullah and Devontae Davis. You guys that didn't know, I believe Sherman played wide receiver first before switching a corner. Really underrated coming out of college. Got Jamal Charles. Okay, we got an auto. Terrence Williams, Prizm. Kind of wish we didn't sign him back, but whatever. Anthony Harris, rookie. Lorenzo Molden, rookie. And our autograph is going to be Jordan Taylor. Wide receiver, 6'5". No idea where he plays or if he's still in the league. I'll look that up afterwards. That's the first auto. Calvin Johnson. Oh God, look at that dude. We got a second auto back to back, I believe. Todd Gurley rookie. Jordan James rookie. The last auto is gonna be. Ooh, not bad. Todd Gurley rookie auto. That's nice, I guess. Sucks that it's not numbered, but I'll take it. He is a starter for a not so good team right now, but he was a top pick. I believe he was the 10th pick. Antonio Brown, Rob Gronkowski, a Prizm Big Ben, Shaq Thompson rookie, and Eddie Goldman rookie. Thompson plays for the Panthers. Goldman plays for the Bears, I believe. I got Adrian Peterson, Patrick Peterson, Sammy Coates, stained glass, Clive Walford rookie, and Kalen Clay rookie. Clive Walford plays for the Raiders, tight end. It's Todd Gurley's a pretty good rookie. Pretty happy with the opening. Reggie Rain, Kelvin Benjamin, Paul Dawson Prizm, Corey Grant, and Nick Marshall rookies, both from Auburn. Nick Marshall plays corner for the Jaguars now. Was a quarterback in college. I believe he was too short. Not the greatest passer. Got Nick Foles, Eli Manning, Trey Flowers Prizm, Ifu Ekpre Olumu, and Leonard Williams. Olumu was considered a big-time corner coming out by injuries, and on the way is now. Leonard Williams plays for the Jets. I got a 101, I believe, certified patch auto of Leonard Williams in the past. I don't know if you guys remember that. Pull that from Chris from Cards Infinity. Got Jordy Nelson, Deshaun Jackson, a defense Denzel Perryman from the U, Blake Bell, and I think that's Dre Anderson. Blake Bell was a quarterback in college. I think highly touted coming out of high school. College didn't really play much, mostly ran the ball. I believe he plays tight end now for the I forgot. I want to say Bucks or Redskins, but I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. Last pack.